Hi, I'm Chetan Anand, international badminton player. I've represented India almost for 20 years and I've been India number one for almost 10 years continuously. I've won nationals four times. My best world ranking in the world is was 10. I've stayed in the top 10 for a year in 2010 till I got injured, and then uh, yeah, I won the Arjuna Award in 2006-7, um, and I won a lot of international tournaments. I won 3 or 4 Grand Prix events. So yeah, that's how about it. And I'm started my own academy right now, Chetan Anand Badminton Academy. I'm trying to groom the youngsters and maybe achieve their dreams.
Okay. Thank you for the introduction. So, so the today's topic of discussion would be transform the badminton company and how is it shaping the India's badminton right now. So, first thing I would like to ask you, how do you see the future, the present generation of Indian badminton star, and what do you think about the present scenario of the Indian badminton?
It's very bright. They are in for the youngsters who are taking up badminton right now because badminton is quite popular at the moment. For the past 5 years, it's grown exponentially, and even the support from the government or the corporates or the even the job opportunities available for the players is huge right now. When we were playing, I think there were less opportunities. We just played for the love of the game. But we never thought, I mean, parents or anybody would never think badminton as a career. It's just the interest we had and love for the game. So, but right now, the career opportunities and the parents also want their kids to take up badminton as a career. When we were playing, it was mainly cricket only. But now I think a lot of other sports and especially badminton has grown expansion in India.
Okay. So talking about Transform, it is India's first badminton brand. So what are your views on this on something like this very unique co- concept?
It's a very unique concept, and I think it's a great privilege or a proud moment for me also to be associated with Transform
Hmm.
because it's an first Indian international brand, and because till now I think there's no Indian brand in India. So I think all the equipment were imported from abroad, mainly maybe China or Taiwan.
Hmm.
So I think it's a great initiative, and I think India has all the necessary uh, resources. I think, and we should make use of it, and we need to promote India as well. So yeah.
Okay. So what was the reason behind for you to join hands with Transform? What did you find it interesting?
Like I said, main thing is it's the first Indian and I first Indian international brand. Uh, the main just proud to be associated with anything related to India. Like when I represented India, it was a proud moment for me and my family. So I would like, and mostly many people have settled abroad, but I never wanted to because I never wanted to leave India. And even my wife stayed abroad for 2 years, but then she came back and she also liked it there. But still, I think I decided, and because I never wanted to leave India, so that's the main I think factor. And the passion when Ram spoke to me and explained to me about Transform, I think the passion I've seen in him is the same thing which I had when I was playing badminton. So I think they'll do a great job, and I think they'll create history in with the Transform in Indian badminton.
Okay. So do you think that this badminton company will help become the Indians Atmanirbhar? Now the Atmanirbhar being is in vogue right now. So
Yeah, I think it's a coincidence that similar this thing has come up. I think Ram had the idea from before,
hmm,
but it's a good thing, and I think it will surely become like Atmanirbhar Bharat. So that with that, I think Transform will also help in doing that. So yeah.
Okay, so tell me, right now the badminton gears is mostly dominated by the foreign players. So how will this brand create a difference among Indians among all the competition from they get from the foreign companies?
Uh, I think India is a huge market as well. So that's the reason I think people are like even Yonex, Leaning, everybody are doing
Hmm,
it. The international brands are
hmm,
selling huge this thing.
hmm,
So, but I think with the Indian brand coming in, I think and the quality of the rackets and equipment is up to par with all
hmm,
the international brands. I think
hmm,
it's nothing wrong to promote Indian brands,
hmm,
and I think people also should realize that we have the same. It's just the marketing, or like say for example, if the best equipment is available, which is made in India, I think we should try and promote it or use it than
hmm.
help the foreign brands.
If you could speak a bit more about the quality and like materials and the types of rackets they have, we would like to know more about it.
I think they're using the best quality and best military grade graphite, which is used in the rackets, and I think it's a perfect balance. The weight and the power or the durability of the rackets. I've used them personally. I've tried them out. A few of the rackets.
Hmm,
Uh, they are excellent, and I think they're on par with par or even better rackets than the foreign brands. So I think they're maintaining. I think with the passion Ram has, I think he'll maintain a good quality, and the customers also will be
hmm.
mighty satisfied.
Okay. So now, after your playing career, now you have started coaching and you have started your own academy. So tell me a bit more about the academy. Where is it, and like how many students you have, and how's the progress rate going?
Okay, I started my academy in 2014. It's based in Hyderabad.
Hmm,
We have a huge center with hostel, gym, and all the facilities available for needed for the international players to train.
hmm,
I just started with the sole idea to give all the facilities, and the players shouldn't be like say searching for things. So everything is available in one place, and he just needs to concentrate on his game and try to perform well. So that's the main idea behind starting my own academy and building it.
hmm,
Uh, yeah, and we have and I'm doing it like a sports center as well with all the other games. So I want it to be like a sports hub, not only badminton. Badminton, I will be doing it, and I'll be associating with different international players, or like who would like to have who have the right passion like me to do well or help the kids in different sports as well.
hmm. Okay. So do you plan to use the transform equipment in your academy as well?
Yes, we have already started using the Transform equipment and accessories in the academy, and they're even Ram has sponsoring the academy as well. So we are me and the academy are tied up with Transform, and even the kids are very like they are very happy with the products. And I think we will. And my academy, there are a lot of players who have played for India and are playing at the national level as well. We have around 200 to 300 kids playing in my academy, and everybody is really happy with the products. Uh, and those who have played for India and in the national level also doesn't feel any difference, or even actually few people are saying they're even better equipment than the international brands, and which are available at affordable prices, not too expensive as the foreign brands.
Hmm,
So that's the main thing, and that's why actually we need to promote the Indian brand Transform, and even help the people who cannot afford them. So that's a huge thing.
Okay. So do you think that this playing with these gears automatically instill a sense of pride among Indians because they're playing with the indigenous product?
Yes, obviously. A lot of players before used to think if you have a foreign brand racket or shoe, they used to feel the pride. But I think using the Indian brand materials, I think, or accessories gives you the immense pride
Mm.
uh, because you feel proud to be an Indian. So I think if it's a good thing and to feel proud when you're using Indian brand as well.
Okay, sir. So my last question would be your message to the upcoming badminton players.
My message to upcoming players would be see, I always followed it. Follow your heart, do what you enjoy or like the most. And first important thing is to enjoy the game rather than take too much pressure. So, thinking about winning. As you enjoy, I think the results will follow. And I would like to tell all the Indians also to use Transform equipment or rackets so that you feel pride among being an Indian and using the Indian brand. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for giving us your time. And it was nice talking to you.
Nice talking to you.
Yeah, thank you.